welcome back. Today I'm giving you guys 50 crochet ideas for your bedroom that are actually useful. I got them all written down on the iPad. I actually categorized them this time, so let's just start off with basic storage. You can make a basket, and this can hold anything like blankets, pillows, really anything. You can do them in different sizes. A little trinket dish to hold like your jewelry, rings, a back of the chair storage. So if you have a chair like this, crochet something for the back and then it can hang on the back to hold stuff. A wall organizer, same idea, just something you can hang on your wall. An earring holder. I actually made one of these and there's a video about how I made it, link down below. And those are like really fast and simple to make. And then you can do a claw clip holder or a baseball cap holder, a hanging basket for your yarn storage or anything else. This is what mine looks like. I just have it hanging on my art desk or on my art cart, whatever. This holds all my smaller skeins of yarn. And then you can crochet a whole stinking ottoman. That will take a lot of time, so if you've got the patience for it, go ahead and you can store other stuff inside of it. And then there's only 2 ideas for this section, but for like book lovers or readers, you can do a book cover, a book sleeve, or a bookmark. There's like a bunch of different bookmarks you can do. You can do just like a basic one, or you can do a little sprout leaf. That would be cute. And now for the plant section. But some things that you can make for your plants in your room is a plant cover for the actual plant pot itself, a coaster to put it on so you don't get water all over your desk or wherever you got your plants at. Hanging plant holder. That was more like macrame but then crochet, but you can still do it like a crochet mesh. And if you can't keep a plant alive, just crochet a plant. Can't kill that. Crochet a little cactus, or for my sewers, you can crochet a cactus to put all your pins on, like for sewing. I'm probably gonna be doing that because that's like really cute. And then you can crochet like these hanging lavender flowers like from your ceiling to give it like your room a whimsical feel. I feel like that'd be really cool and really cute. Or you can crochet just any plant in general, like pothos crochet version. I don't know all the names. I'm still a newbie, but you can crochet actual plants. Next section is tech, or like anything for technology. You can do a keyboard mat for your gaming setup, or if you just need a keyboard mat in general. I do plan on making one, but I'm gonna be doing an Uno reverse card. It's gonna be white and green. Then you can do an iPad sleeve. I kind of made one, but I turned it into a purse. This is what I made. This is like a pixel art. And I did line it with like this really pretty velvet fabric. But this does hold the iPad perfectly. Whoa, that's like a perfect fit. Hold up. And with the cover slash sleeve, we also have a Kindle sleeve if you're a reader. Probably could have gone in the book reader section. Anyway, a phone holder or a phone cover, phone sleeve, or if you charge your phone on the wall, a hanging phone charging pocket. And again, if you're a gamer, you can crochet a little sprout for your headphones. Also a lamp shade cover, or just crochet a lamp in general. Keeping the cover theme, we have a desk chair cover. So if you have a chair like this and you don't like the color, crochet a cover for it. Candle cover. I'd be careful with candle covers though, because I don't want the yarn to like set on fire. Continue with caution on those. A water bottle cover slash like a water bottle carrier thing. Tissue box cover. Again, I got a video on my process on making one. And then a Roku cover, or like any sort of remote cover. My dog ran off my bed. And then you can do headphone covers. I have AirPod Maxes and I still haven't gotten around to making covers for them yet. Ooh, you could also do cute little headphone charms to like hang on the edge. And this last section is basic decor. Some of this stuff might not be useful, but it's still cute and fun to make if you're like trying to decorate your room. Crochet tapestry, which I just learned how to do a few days ago. Basically what this is, then I would show you what the back looks like, but it's hidden behind the fabric. Here's like another thing. This is my first one I did, and that's what the back looks like. More decor ideas are a pillow or flowers in a vase. These are my flowers that I made. This one is my favorite, but it took forever to actually crochet. The collection is growing. And then you can do a flower bouquet coaster set or like a leaf coaster set. Curtains. That would take a while, but I think it'd be cute. And then this one, I don't know why I thought of this one, but like a whole stinking deer bust. I don't know if there's a pattern for that, but that'd be so cool. Then also a skull, like an animal skull, a moth, a butterfly, and this next idea I thought was like so funny. I just stumbled across it on Pinterest, but like dead animal door stoppers. I thought they were so goofy and funny, so I thought I'd include them in here. And then we have pillowcases, a windowsill mat. Then you can make garland or like vines for your room, a rug, or like curtain ties to hold back your curtains. And then if you guys have a cat, make a cat couch. Your cats will appreciate it. And then if you guys want to attempt a 6-day star blanket, you can try that. Use some of your scrap yarn. And then this last idea, I came up with this and I thought it was so cool. Recreate your vinyls as coasters. Like imagine you have a Billie Eilish vinyl or a Taylor Swift vinyl or Olivia Rodrigo. Recreate it as like a small little coaster. And then to store them, make a paper version of the album that the vinyl's from and put the coaster in the vinyl. That'd be so cute. But that would be my 50 useful ideas that you guys can crochet for your bedroom. And comment down below which one was your favorite. If you enjoyed, please like and subscribe. It really helps out the algorithm. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye!